Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be installing BC Racing coilovers. Let's go. To start off things, I already took off the rotors, the brackets, and the calipers already there, so to just get ready. And same thing on the other side. So we're just gonna cut them open, see the goodies. Let's go. So there's the BC Racing coilovers, the one that I got for the Bmw E92. Very good packaging. Let's go. Got the warranty paper here. Some stickers, you already know what's good. Big. Look at these, yes sir. Here, let's listen to some. That's sad. Take that off. Take that off. You already know how it goes. Let's go. Whew. Now that we've unboxed the BC Racing coilovers, now it's time to take off the struts and the other side too. Let's get to it. So I finally got the struts off. I used this small pry bar, but I wouldn't recommend this, but I just tapped it little by little so it doesn't overextend the knuckle. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean all of this, the scratch bright, and then install the new one. Now that the knuckle is nice and clean, time to put on the new one. Gonna make sure to put some anti-seize, just a little bit on this so it never seize up, and it's a little lubrication too. So I adjusted the sway bar end links a little bit shorter than the original one, so we're gonna put that on while the car is still up. Torque specs, what I did to here, time to do it there. Let's go. Hey guys, so today is a big day. I'm getting the E92 inspected today. I finished the coilovers last night, and the main reason why I put the coilovers first was for inspection. Unfortunately, I got a VI, vehicle inspection, because for having it too low. Fun days, but anyways, so it's got my Starbucks. I have the black coffee Starbucks, and before we go to the BMW, I'm just filling up the jerry can to fill up the E92. So let's go. I got a VI because it was rubbing here, but I raised it up. And I don't think the white bumper will matter for the inspection. Yeah, it's mainly just the front one rubbing. So let's go. Let's fill this up. So I just dropped off the E92. Now let's go back. There's the Beamer, the E92. Finally arrived. What's good? Hi.
Wow, it's very nice.
Let's go. Let's take you home. Everything's good. Finally, the E92 is back in the shop after past inspection. Let's go. And now time to put all these parts in. All the nice parts. Build coming up. Let's go.